It's starting. It's starting.
This looks so interesting.
It's hanging so perfectly, like it knows how to balance. Oh, you noticed that. Good job. Mister. And the mobile, balance is really important. Right now, everything is the same size and weight, so it stays balanced. But even if the sizes and weights are different, you can still make it sway nicely by changing the distance.
Oh, so that's why the swaying feels so relaxing. Why am I getting sleepy?
It moves in such a fun way.
So even if the pieces aren't the same size, a mobile can still stay balanced. Just by adjusting it. Okay, let's bring it back to how it was. Alright, let's head back to the lab and keep working on our mobile research.
Let's go.
Oh, wait a second.
Today, we are making a mobile. A mobile is a swaying decoration that hangs in perfect balance. Let's start. First, gently squish the straw and slide it into the hole in the paperclip. This is the basic step. Next, let's connect the clips together. Spread the end of the clip a little and hook it through. Now they are connected. Let's do it again. Spread the clip, insert it, and twist. That finishes the first part. If it gets too long, the straw might bend, so make it just the right length. Now, attach another straw to the other side the same way. Flatten the straw a bit so it fits the clip. It's starting to look like this. This becomes the base for the mobile. Let's try shaking it. Next, let's make the decorations. You can cut out any shape you like. Let's try it. If you fold the paper in half and cut, you get a nice matching shape. If you want to make more at once, you can stack two pieces of paper and cut them together, even if it feels a bit thick. You can also draw shapes on colored paper and cut them out. Make something fun, maybe an animal or your favorite food. It turned out so cute. It's really coming together. You can also paint or draw patterns on your shapes. Now let's try making a 3D decoration. Cut out two of the same shapes. Take the back so it stays together. Once all your decorations are ready, attach them to the mobile. Add clips to the decorations. Tape them so they won't fall off. You can connect more clips if you want them to hang lower. When you're done, hook them onto the straw. Let's decorate the other parts too. After adding a few pieces, check the balance. It looks like this. Lift it up once in a while to see if it's balanced. Let's keep adding decorations while checking the balance. And now, it's finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun.